So far in this Playhouse build series, we've covered the footers, deck, steps, and even the sandbox. Now, let me show you how I mounted 2 swings to each side of the Playhouse, so let's get to building. So we're on the next day, guys. It's day number 6, I believe. And today we're finally going to be putting the swings up on the Playhouse. So let's get started. When it comes to building a swing set off a Playhouse, I went ahead and just bought prefabricated hardware. That would make it work a lot easier for me. So I don't have to make any weird cuts with the wood or any measurements. I can just slap all the wood together and drill it in. This piece of hardware right here makes the A-frame for the swing. And then your main beam goes up top and goes out to the Playhouse. 4x4s go in the bottom here and a 4x6 goes in the top. It also came with these big lag bolts to put in once all the wood's in. I also got these green brackets right here, which is going to help mount it to the Playhouse itself, which I'll show you here in a bit. And lastly, for those feet going into the ground, I'm actually going to set it in concrete and put these anchors in the concrete. And then I'll put the 4x4s in here and screw it in. This just essentially makes it a little more secure and sturdy. It's not needed, but like I said, I would rather go overkill with this than underkill. Now that you guys got a rough picture of everything, let's get to building the swing set. First thing we need to do is cut our 4x6s to the proper length. Now before we get anything in there, let's make sure we put this bracket on it and raise it up. And just make sure you're installing the bracket the right way, as it has an angle like this. So we want to make sure we're going to flip it like that and slide it on like this. Now we just drill our pilot holes and screw the screws in. One down, let's do the other one. Both the brackets are on, so let's get them up. Gotta love a tractor. So the plan is now, while the tractor's holding the beam up, I'm gonna connect it to that end. Once it's connected to that end, I'm gonna put a little piece of wood going from top to bottom to hold it up and keep it plumb. Then I'll make my measurements for my other 4x4s. I'm also essentially gonna put a piece of blocking behind the joist here just to help secure everything in place with the hardware I'm gonna use. So with that bracket screwed into the Playhouse, I'm not gonna mount this post just yet. I'm actually gonna go make my measurements for my 4x4s and we'll go from there. I made my measurements, got my cuts. So now the moment of truth and see if I actually measured right. Before I get too carried away, I'm gonna screw these 4x4s in and lock them in place. So I got one hole dug out, which is roughly 12 inches, maybe a little less. I'm not killing it on the footers. It's just to securely have it in place and put some weight to it. So now what I need to do so that I can move the post back over when the concrete's drying, but not have it fall on the concrete, is make a temporary support right here. So I'm gonna measure for that and make one. 5.5 inches. So here's the temporary support. I gotta dig out the other hole real quick and then we'll get on to the next step. So the holes are dug. Now I gotta slide this back over and use this brace to hold it up, and you'll see what's next. So now we're gonna take our brackets, slide them on, screw them in. So all our fine adjustments are made. We got level right here, and we got level right here. So that means it's time to mix concrete and pour it on the holes. This side's done and drying. Give it a few days and we'll come back and we'll get the swings up. So let's go to the other side and be done for the day. Concrete footer support on this one. Now I just need to let it dry and come back and put the swings on. So there's one last thing I need to get done today, and that's stick these 6-inch long bolts through this hole right here. Let's go drill the other one real quick, and then we'll tighten them at the top. Let's go tighten them. Screw them down, and this is galvanized bolts and nuts. That ain't going anywhere. Let's go do the other one. Well, that's all I got time for today, so I'll catch you in the next day. And just like that, we've got a swing set. And this thing is officially starting to feel like a playground now. If you're following the build, make sure you subscribe and drop a like. Also, I've got all the tools and materials linked down below that I've used for this project. And don't miss part 6, where we mount the swings and start framing out the playhouse.